Now it's going.
Dog aisle.
Here we go.
Hi guys, my name's Cindy. I really hate this. Oh my voice! Ah! It's so weird. I love it. Wah. Done.
You have to keep getting
smells.
more. Hi. 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 Where'd my hole go? I don't feel anything.
You tried to make a big enough
There it
hole.
goes.
You can't breathe into
Hi.
it.
I know. I don't know how to do it. Where'd my hole go? Here it is. Hi. Okay, it's not working.
Here, make a bigger hole. Now, hurry. All the air's gone.
Hi. Did it work that time?
Yeah, more.
Hi. Did it work that time? Where'd my hole go? Hi. Oh, it's a funny one.
My turn.
Oh my god.
Did you pause it? Okay, go.
Where's the hole?
Hi.
Where's the hole at, guys?
Oh.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. What's up? Hey. This isn't my real voice. This is just helium, you know? This is awesome. Done. Epic fail.